Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into SMrush App Center. This is something new to the SMrush platform. They have tried to create a curated collection of all the marketing apps which they might thought bring more value to the platform itself. It is available in free trial, paid, all those things. You can access this by going into smrush.com/apps, or I will leave the link in the description. And within that you can see all the different tabs. You can search for it, you can see the discover tabs categories, or I can try to I like to get the data from this knowledge base article, because this gives you a much more in-depth example like what it does, and this section does it really well. Currently within SMrush App Center, these have various category like AI apps, keyword research app, competitor analysis, social media monitoring, content creation, analysis and reports, web design, e-commerce, for agency, for small business, and free apps. And you can see if it requires purchase, for example, it has free, and also sometimes it is paid. You can see $35 a month, free trial, then it's $169 a month. All those things are here. It shows how do I purchase and access all the different one. I personally am interested in free apps, and these free apps are available for me. For example, SMrush Persona report creator, email signature created, instant keyword research for Amazon. Maybe you open something like plagiarism checker, and when I do that, I can go into plagiarism checker app. I can go through here, or I can maybe browse all the free apps below here. And when I click on free tag here, it will show all the free apps which is available right now. You can see plagiarism checker is available here also. When I go into that particular app, now it will open that app for me. You can see plagiarism checker app is opened here. I have the limit to see check at least 800 words per check, and I'm allowed to do 50 checks monthly. So that is all I can do. Maybe I might put some text here, dummy text. Let me see whether I will put something like this and paste it here. And I'm going to click on check test to see how accurate is it. So I have put a text copied from Google SMrush knowledge base itself, and it currently checking it. It says that it might take 5 minutes. Let me wait until this to finish to showcase you, because we are not just limited to that. I'm just exploring a tool, but you have access to so many free tools and also other paid, or you can see the most popular. You can go into my apps, so you can see all the apps which you are using or subscribe to it. All the different one. It has AI tools, keyword analytics to find YouTube keyword research tools. All these options are available within App Center. Let me see, it's still not finished. I'll pause the video and come back. So I got the result back for the scan. You can see obviously it did the job correctly, because it says 99% plagiarism. It also checked the AI generated percent readability, reading time, grammar, and we have found the original source, and it correctly found the original source. So this is good actually. For a free tool, we have 50 times to use this tool for us. So depending on that, you can check for various other free apps or paid free trial or anything which is suited to you. So these are the new stuff which is available through SMrush App Center. You can view under App Center, you can find all the data here for you.